Alright guys, I'm headed down to the bank to make a deposit, but I also picked up a full propane bottle for melting. So what am I doing today? Melting copper. My first pour was brass. My second pour was copper. So yeah, check it out guys. I'm pouring copper. I'm gonna start selling it on eBay. Screw the damn scrapyard. I'm sure I'm not gonna be very good at it until I get going, but I'm gonna show you my first pour today. I'm gonna show you my first pours, and I'll get better at videoing it, I promise. Hey, love. My first ever bar. Boy, looks like it's going to turn out nice too. I like it. Hey, one. Beautiful. That's awesome. All right. What do you think about that? Look at that goodness. What? Word. He's a thing of beauty. All right, guys, so that's it. That's my first couple bars. And I just picked up some more propane. So I'm heading back to the house after I go to the bank here, and I'm going to pour some more. If you want to see more of this from me, stick around. And if you want one of these bars, make sure you're at my giveaway, which will be sometime in March, maybe the middle of March. I'll be having a new giveaway, and I'm going to be stamping these things, SWG, Scrapping with Grandpa. I made it, and I'll be sending them to you, whoever the winners. So I hope you enjoy it, and if you do, make sure you're at my giveaway, and you can win one of these bars.